Here we are back with our new video regarding Australia International Borders update. The Universities of Australia hopes vaccination delays won't hinder return of international students because their because their AstraZeneca vaccine has been stopped in Australia, as one patient has blood clots because of AstraZeneca vaccine. He was passed away, so their whole plan regarding vaccination completion until October 2021 has been completely diminished. So now universities hope that there will not any delaying in the safe return of international students if the COVID-19 vaccine programs delays. If they will implement certain restrictions on borders, then they will lose $40 billion in education sector. The international education sector has warned them if they will lose the third academic year, then they will not afford it. Western Sydney University Vice Chancellor Barney Glover said he hopes the vaccine rollout will not impact on a program designed for the safe return of international students in modest number. As the universities, they will have plan for the safe return of international students. If the federal government will give the approval to their plan, then the COVID-19 vaccine delaying will not becomes an obstacle for their return. And further, the universities of New South Wales, they also have a safe corridor proposal for the return of overseas students with very small number, as they progressively increase it up to 600 each fortnight. But if the federal government will give the approval to this, as all it depend upon the federal government as well as the states and territories, because the universities will make their plan but the federal government give refusal to their plans. Now the vice chancellor, he is hoping that the challenges around the vaccine program in Australia are not going to adversely affect the very modest trial of students coming inbound who will be required to be tested before departure and be tested during quarantine, and will do full quarantine here under the strict arrangement that apply to New South Wales hotel quarantine, Professor Glover said. They said that if the vaccination program is delaying, it's not become an problem for their return, because the students, when they will depart, they will be tested, when they will reach, they will be tested, and during quarantine they have further test, and after 2 to 3 days the government will test them and they will follow the proper rules and regulation. So this is the trial. They said this is the trial. If it will be successful, then they will allow the more students to return to Australia. As Phil Honeywood, the Chief Executive Officer of International Education Association of Australia, which represent private and public providers of education for international students, said there was no way the 40 billion a year industry could withstand the loss of a third academic year next year. So completely they will not lose this 40 billion a year, because it is an high amount.